Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap on the sound section. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe to the left side, this dot, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button, then open the settings here, and by this you will see the same sound settings. Just to unmute ringtone, swipe to the right side, this green dot, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.